ओ एवरीबॉडी माई सेल्फ रमेश रेड्डी यानी मैं अमरिंदर बाउली जी नहीं मैं रमेश रेड्डी well wish you all a very happy new year guys. Well, in my last video I just said that I will be uploading something related to ATM, right? But I'm not uploading right now. I will be uploading this all series in the month of Feb, after Feb 3rd, right? Because I have my exams. And for at present what we are going to do is that we will be learning how exactly we can make a blog within 2 minutes, not Maggie noodles, right? 2 minutes Maggie noodles, not. So how we can make a blog within 2 minutes, right? So without wasting your time guys, let's get started how we can make, right? So we can make with the help of three websites. We got wix.com, wordpress.com, and bloggers.com, and we have many more. But for free we can go through these websites, right? Suppose you want to make a blog. Suppose just write, suppose I will be writing the title Wilco City 2, right? Address will I would love to give the address as um, Wilco City 2, right? Click it over here, and if it's available then it will be taken, right? So click on create blog. Yes, it's ready, right guys? It will be asking for a domain, but you have to pay for it. But I wanted to make you learn for absolutely free how you can make a blog, right, without paying single penny to it. So um, now view your blog, how it looks like. It looks like something. So you need to post something else. Suppose you want to post something to it, so click on new post, right? It will take a little time. Mm, 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 mm. Click on new post. Yeah, it's ready. You need to give the post title. Suppose I am giving it Happy New Year, right? So you want to write something description. Wish you all a very happy new year, right? So you want to add a picture to it. Suppose I have a picture. Choose file. Happy New Year. After selecting it, just add selected button. The picture will be coming over here. You can make it a little larger, right? You can move it to left, right, anywhere, right? So now you want to give a link of any page, any website, or anything, and your link you want to stick to this particular post. Then what you gotta do is that you just need to copy your link from anywhere you want to, the link which you want to post. So as I did, news for village city is my IB page, so I did it for a year, and you just need to click on publish button, right? And it's ready guys, the very basic blog. And if you want to customize, then go to themes, click on customize. You can select the themes down, right? We have many more at the down. So you will be getting background. Suppose you want to change the color of a background, click like this. You want to make it yellow, do it yellow, right? You want to do advance some color, want to add some colors too, right? You can do that. And gadgets, and if you select something like the dynamic shot of theme, so you will be getting a lot more the block features, plugins, lot many things you will be getting, right? So what you got to do is that just apply to blog. Once applied, just view a blog, how does it look like, right? You just post it, it will be looking somewhat like this. You do got an opportunity to post, read more, you can share, you have the button to share from here, right? Just select the options and just share it out from here. That's how guys we can make a blog, right? So hope you people like this video. Just make sure comment, share, and please do subscribe this the channel if you like this video guys. Thank you for watching guys, and once again wish you all a very happy new year guys.